Believe it or not, this might be happening. Another mythical figure is about to be unlocked. 330 pounds, Devon Laratashvili, and he might be seen over an arm wrestling table soon. So recently during King of the Table 13 pre-match events, when Levan met Devon and they were discussing several interesting things, and Levan joked about facing Devon on left and right, both on the same day. To which Devon Larratt responded that for this he'll have to follow the ways of Brian Shaw. First he must be 330 pounds.
I must first follow the ways of Brian Shaw. And I must be
300 pounds.
330. 320.
330.
I wear a CPAP all day long. I go to bed with CPAP. I wake up, keep the CPAP on, have a backpack, have batteries, I walk around. Otherwise I die. I'll die right there, but it's okay.
Yes, you heard it right. So as we know that Devon has been criticized often for not bulking enough, keep up with the new trend of mass monsters in arm wrestling. Ever since he faced Denis Iplenkov back in 2018, especially by the Europeans. Although we have seen pancake version of Devon Larratt earlier, where he was around 130 kgs, which is around 287 pounds. But still, if you look at his physique, it was mostly water retention and fat gained and not actual muscle mass. This may be because Devon did not consider including lifts that are more hypertrophy oriented like some other arm wrestlers currently are doing. But ever since he met Brian Shaw, it looks like Brian has somehow convinced him to bulk up. And even Devon looks serious about his bulking. As you can see from his recent posts, he is taking things pretty seriously. Even for his upcoming super heavyweight match with Gennady Kvikvinia, which is to be held on 15th of Feb, he is bulking up and we might see a bigger and a better version of Devon soon. And for this, Devon is ready to go to any extreme limits possible. And we all know that once Devon makes up his mind, he is willing to sacrifice everything, and we can all agree upon one thing. All this is for one final goal, which seems to be Devon's ultimate life mission, Levan Saginashvili. So what do you guys think? Do you think we'll get to see a 330 pounds Devon Larratt soon? And would it make any difference when it comes to facing Levan? Do share your opinions in comments below and subscribe for more such videos.
Otherwise I die. I'll die right there, but it's okay.